So this is our shoe rack. So what she does is she opens the lock and then goes on a rampage. So I'll show you how she opens it. And the culprit is right above. She's listening to what I'm saying. So what I'm doing, she's observing what I'm doing. So I'll show you what she does. Right. So now this is a child lock to the shoe rack. Now if I have to open this, I have to press both these sides, both these sides, and pull this out. Only then it can open. Right. So if I lock this, so there is no way to pull. Unless I press this too, it won't come. It won't come otherwise. So let's see what she does. What she does with this lock. If she opens this, she'll wreck. She'll pick out each of our shoes and shred it to pieces. I've lost my sandals and shoes and all of that. So this is her fascination. Okay. Petra.